A transmissão está começando. Todos os participantes estão no modo somente escuta.
Hello everyone, welcome to another CW webinar. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Lucas Pimenta and my team and I are here to bring you the main highlights of the Global Doors Market and Forecast Report. Today we will focus on the key factors influencing the growth of the doors market, including regional dynamics and the major types of doors and materials that are in demand. For today's presentation, I would like to introduce myself, Lucas, Junior Business Analyst at CW Group, and my colleague Neil Atabai, also a Junior Business Analyst at CW Group. On today's agenda, we will start with an introduction to CW Group, followed by an overview of the global economy to provide context for market trends. The Global Doors Market Report 2024 update highlights will then be presented, focusing on global doors market size segmented by region, type, construction segment, and material, offering a comprehensive analysis of industry dynamics. Additionally, we will take a closer look at the Indian market, examining its growth potential and key developments. The session will conclude with closing remarks, summarizing the key insights and takeaways from the presentation. CW Group is presented across three distinct verticals or branches: advisory, research, and media. Under advisory, we have CW. Under advisory, CW works with major global consultancies and leading institutions, including the World Bank and funds projects. We provide consulting and advisory expertise on a diverse product portfolio. For example, a recent sample of advisory projects provided includes a detailed study on circular economy for the MENA and West Africa regions. Now, under the research umbrella, CW focuses on cement demand globally, as well as detailed industry reports. We provide historical as well as forecasts for markets and a variety of products, including our main product, the TPR, Trade Prices Report, and the VFR, the Volume Forecast Report. We also provide commodity prices assessments for cement and clinker. At last, under the media umbrella, you can have online access to our vast database. You can subscribe to newsletters for topics of interest. And we also have some industry-specific meetings. We have started to hold in person again our next meeting called Slag and Ash Trade 2025 will take place in Istanbul, Turkey on 25th and 26th of March. So if you are interested, please don't hesitate to contact us for more information. Now, to start off, we're going to present prospects for 2024, 5, and 2026. According to IMF's January 2025 update, global economics growth is estimated at 3.2%, unchanged for the July and October 2024 forecasts. However, notable revisions have taken place beneath the surface, with upgrades to the forecast for the United States, offsetting downgrades to those for other advanced economies, in particular the largest European countries. US growth is estimated to reach 2.8% in 2024 on the back of strong consumption and non-residential investments, before slowing slightly to 2.7% in 2025 as fiscal policy is gradually restricted and cooling labor market slows consumption. In the euro area, growth seems to have reached its lowest point in 2023. The euro GDP is expected to reach 0.8% in 2024 as a result of better export performance. In 2025, economic growth is estimated at 1%, supported by strong domestic demand. In the case of the emerging market and developing economies, is forecasted to remain stable for the next 2 years at 5.2 and 5.1% in 2025 and 2026, respectively. In India, the outlook is for GDP growth at 6.5% in 2025 and 2026. While China's slowdown is projected to be more gradual. Despite persistent weakness in the real estate sector, China's growth is projected to have slowed only marginally to 4.8% in 2024, largely thanks to better than expected net exports. Growth is projected to be around 4.2% in sub-Saharan Africa in 2025, and as the adverse impact of prior weather shocks abate and supply constraints gradually ease. Global headline inflation is projected to decrease further from an average of 6.7% in 2023 to 5.8% in 2024 and 4.3% in 2025 in the baseline. Deflation is expected to be faster in advanced economies, with a decline of 2 percentage points for 2023 to 2024 and a stabilization at about 2% in 2025. In conclusion, the global economic outlook for this year is characterized by heightened uncertainty. Now, I would like to add that these projections were made before the tariffs were planned and imposed. The impact of the tariffs on the US and world economies is unpredictable, and these projections also did not consider the significant overhaul of federal spending and rising inflation that is expected to have negative impact on economic growth in the second half of 2025. The imposition of tariffs by the US and their reciprocal actions by Mexico, Canada, and China to begin with are expected to have a major impact on the trillions of dollars to trade among these major trading partners. While all other forecasts for the overall economic impact of these trade policies is yet to be ascertained. What is for certain is that this will lead to global rise in inflation just at a time when central banks around the world were looking to cut interest rate. The global doors with quantitative analysis on market size and trends in regional markets. This benchmark reports provide detailed insight on market size of a global and regional level. Detailed regional insights based on product type, material, and end user segment. Country close-ups for major regional markets and future trends. Additionally, this report provides a 5-year forecast and 5-year historical data set to give the reader comprehensive insights on the market development and product evaluation. Now I'd like to pass the presentation to my colleague, Neil. Thank you very much. Sorry, Neil, I can't hear you right now. Are you on?
Like Housing for All. Swinging Doors dominate the Indian market with a projected market size of 16.5 billion US dollars by 2029, growing at 5.9 CAGR from 2024 to 2029. Wood is the most widely used door material, especially in Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Gujarat, where affordable housing demand is high. Metal doors are the fastest growing segment, essential for industrial and commercial applications, contributing to overall market expansion. Glass door demand is rising, particularly in high-end residential and commercial properties, in cities like Bangalore and Chennai, driven by green building practices and energy efficiency trends. And Closing remarks. The global doors market is expected to grow steadily, driven by urbanization, infrastructure development, and rising construction activities worldwide. Asia, excluding China, will hold the largest market share, followed by North America and China, reflecting strong regional demand and expansion. Swinging doors will dominate due to their adaptability, while sliding doors gain popularity for space efficiency and modern aesthetics. Wood doors will be the fastest growing segment, outpacing metal and glass as the preferred choice for the residential and commercial projects. North America will experience significant growth fueled by increasing demand in housing, commercial buildings, and renovation activities. I would like to thank you all for your time today. I hope this presentation has provided valuable insights into the factors driving the doors market.